Yo, what is up guys, TiimeDesign here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm showing you guys on how to make the Squid Game outfits in GTA 5 Online. Now do keep in mind, these are the closest I can possibly make them to the actual Squid Game outfits from the Netflix show Squid Game, so do keep in mind, they're not going to look 100% identical, but this is the closest I can get it to look like in GTA 5 Online, so yeah. So if you do end up enjoying today's video, you can just go ahead and drop a like, and if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button with notifications on. And now before today's video does start, a word from our sponsor. If you're trying to get your account boosted to a higher level or just get more money, make sure you go ahead and check out Chop because they sell them for PlayStation 4, 5, and even Xbox One and Series X as well. And if you're looking for a modded account, they do sell them for PlayStation 4 and 5, but Xbox sadly not. So if you're looking for modded accounts or account boosting, make sure you check out Chop down below with free deliveries up to 24 hours, and you also do go ahead and get bonuses if you do go ahead and buy modded accounts or account boosting. And also the best thing about it is 100% security to your account. And also if you are going to be purchasing, make sure you do go ahead and use code TIME10 for 10% off. And now let's get into the video. Now the first outfit from Squid Game I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make is going to be the front man, and this is how it looks like right here in the show. I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make that outfit right there as close as possible in GTA 5 Online. Now to start off, head over to any clone store, could be high end, mid end, or low end, does not matter where you go to. Once you're in the store, head over to the pants. Now come over to the fitted suit pants, and you have two options to go ahead and put on. You can go and put on the black fitted shiny pants, which is going to be number 3, or you can go and put on the black skinny suit pants, which are going to be number 34, which is basically the last one. You can do those two options, but for me, I'm going to go with the shiny pants because they kind of do look like they come from the show, so I'm going to go with these ones right here. Next up, come over to the tops, and once you're on the tops, head over here to your overcoats, which is going to be down over here. So overcoats, there we go. And all you want to do is go to the end, and you want to go and put on the black wool coat, which is going to be number 63. So go and put this one here on, and once you have it on, just back out. And as you guys can see, we already have the shoes. Once you go and put those fitted suit pants, the shoes come automatically with it, so we don't need to change shoes at all because we already have them automatically. Next up, come over to the accessories section, and you want to come to the gloves, and you want to go and put on the black leather gloves, which are going to be right over here, right there. Go and put these ones here on, number 60, and once you have them on, we're pretty much done. Well, not done, but we're getting close, all right? We're done with this section of the outfit. So once you have the pants and the gloves and the wool coat, all you want to do now is go ahead and save it. I'm going to go and save this outfit called Frontman because this is the Frontman from Squid Game. So let me go and save it real quick. Frontman, there we go. And once you have saved the outfit, we're almost done now. All we need is the masks. Now to get the mask, all you want to do is head over to the mask shop. Now, if you don't know where the mask shop is located at, it's going to be located right over here at Vespucci Beach. All you want to set a waypoint to it, or if you already know where to go, just head over to it. But if you don't know, that's where it's located at. So yeah. So once you arrive at the mask shop, all you want to do now is come over here to the characters, head over to the bottom, and all you want to do is keep on scrolling until you find this one right here called the black plastic face, which is going to be this one right here. Now, as you guys can see, this one here, it does not have like the hood that the frontman wears from the show, but this is the closest I can possibly get it. So once you have that face mask, all you want to do is pretty much go ahead and resave the outfit, and now you have the frontman in GTA 5 Online. Now, I know this is not 100% identical to the frontman from Squid Game, but this is the closest I can possibly get it in GTA 5 Online because GTA does not have every single outfit in the game from Squid Game. So yeah, this is the closest I can get it to frontman. And on to the next outfit. Now the next outfit from Squid Game I'm going to be making in GTA 5 Online, it is going to be the pink soldiers from Squid Game. Now if you're wondering why I'm saying pink soldiers and not red soldiers or whatever, pink man, whatever, take it with the director, not me. The director calls them pink soldiers, so I'm just going with it. But start off, you will be needing red joggers for the pink soldiers outfit. Now if you don't know how to get the red joggers, do not worry, I already have a video on how to get the red joggers. You can go and click the description link, or you can go and press this card screen that should pop up on your screen right now. Go ahead and watch that video, and once you have the red joggers, then come back. Now if you can't find someone to get the red joggers, or if you just don't want to get the red joggers, too much time, or you just can't get them, all you want to do, I'm be showing you guys an alternative to the red pants. So come over to the any clone store, head over to the pants, and once you're here, come over to the work pants, which is gonna be right over here, and keep on scrolling until you do find the resort work pants, or you can scroll down just a little more and you'll find these ones right, the berry work pants. You can put one of these two on if you don't want to go and put on the red joggers, or if you just can't find someone to get them or anything like that. Now once you have the red joggers or the red pants, all you want to do now is come over here to the tops. Once you're on the tops, all you want to scroll down all the way to the hoodies, which is going to be down over here. Hoodies, there you go, past it, and all you want to do is go all the way to the end and keep on scrolling until you do go ahead and find the red hooded jacket, which is going to be this one right over here. Now there's going to be another two options you can go and put on for the red hoodie. You can come over up a little more and you'll find these hoodies right here. Let me keep on scrolling until you find it. There you go. You can go and put on the red long line hoodie, or if you want, you can go and put the dark version of it. But for me, I'm gonna go with this red hooded jacket, this one right here that I'm wearing. Now next up, all you want to do is go ahead and come over here to the shoes, and once you're here in the shoes, all you want to do is come to the boots and keep on scrolling all the way to the start until you do find the uniform boots. Alright, so they're gonna be the first ones right over here. There you go, heavy uniform boots. Go and put these ones on, and once you have them on, all you want to do is pretty much just back out. So once you have backed out, all you want to do now is head over to the accessories, which is going to be over here at this table. If you're at a different store, the accessories might be at a different location. But all you want to do is come over to the gloves and go ahead and put on the black leather gloves, which are going to be right over here. Go and put these gloves on. Now once you have the gloves on, all you want to do is pretty much just now is back out, save the outfit, and here we go. I'm going to save real quick. I'm gonna go and call this outfit here Pink Man right here. So yeah, let me go and call it. Let me save real quick. Pink Man, there we go. There you go, saved it. Now once you have saved the outfit, all you want to do is pretty much now is head over to the mask shop, which is gonna be right over here. Same exact location we did for the frontman, so just head over there, and yeah. So here you go. Once you have arrived at the mask shop, all you want to do is scroll down until you find ski mask, and you want to keep on scrolling down until you do go ahead and find the one I'm about to show you. Just keep on scrolling down. It's gonna be like the ski mask with the skull face on. You'll see what I'm talking about in a few. Let me go ahead and find it first real quick. So there you go. It should be one of these right here. It's gonna be right over here. I'm getting close to it. So there you go, right here. The skull tactical ski, this one is right here, number 55. You want to go and put this one here on. Now I know this here does not look identical to the one from the show, but do not worry, just come over to styles, and once you're on styles, you want to scroll down and you should see where it says hood. Switch it until it says up. All right, if it says down, switch it to up, and there you go, you have the outfit. Now I know this does not have like the circles or the triangles or the squares or anything like that. This is the closest I can get it. And also, if you do want, you know, like the scene from the cookies where you get like cut in all that, you know, where they have like the strap with the camera on. If you do want to have an effect like that, you can go and put on a parachute, which kind of has like the straps on it if you do want. But if you don't want the straps, you can just take off the parachute. But yeah, this is the closest I can possibly get it to Squid Game from the show. And yeah, if you do want, you can go and cut like temper with the mask, see if you can get anything else that's closely related to it. But for this, the closest I can possibly get it to the pink soldiers from Squid Game. So on to the next outfit. Now the last and final outfit I'm gonna be showing you are gonna be the players from Squid Game. Now this is how they look like. I'm gonna be showing you guys as closely as possible on how to make that exact outfit. Not exactly in GTA 5 only, because we don't have the exact tracksuits and all that, but pretty much all you want to do is come over here to your bomber jackets on tops in a clone store and keep on scrolling down until you do find the teal bomber jacket, which is gonna be right over here. There we go, T closed flight, which is gonna be this one right over here. You want to go and put this jacket on. Once you have the jacket on, all you want to do now is come over here to the pants, and once you're on the pants, scroll down until you find the chinos, which are gonna be right over here, and keep on scrolling until you do find the dark teal pants. So they're gonna be somewhere around here. Oh yeah, I legit passed them the first try. Alright, there we go, dark teal chinos, which are gonna be these ones right over here. And once you have them on, all you want to do is back out and head over to the shoes. So shoes are gonna be right over here on this store. And if you did go to a different store, shoes might be in a different location, but yeah. But all you want to do now is come over to the slip-ons, and you want to go and put on the white canvas slip-ons, which are going to be these ones right here. They're legit white Vans, so yeah, you just want to go and put these ones here on. And now we're legit done. Simple as that. This is like the easiest outfit to make out of all of them. And also, if you do want to go ahead and add a number to this jacket, you can make your own crew and make your crew emblem as like one of the numbers from the show. So yeah, you can go ahead and do that by placing the crew emblem, and yeah, you can get a number on your jacket. So yeah, So all you want to do now is go ahead and save the outfit, and we're pretty much done. We now have all 3 characters from Squid Game. We have the frontman, the pink soldiers, and the players from Squid Game. So yeah, this is the closest I can possibly get it to GTA 5 Online, because I know like they don't exactly look identical, but this is the most identical I can get them in GTA 5 Online using the clothes available at the moment. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did and you did end up getting any of these outfits, I would greatly appreciate if you can go ahead and drop a like, and if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button with notifications on. And TiimeDesign sign out. Peace.